Okay, now this is our second Lego challenge this week, and today we're not sorting by colour, we're actually going to sort by amount, or even just count out amounts. It's not really sorting unless you want to pick a colour at the same time. So I've got 6 little helpers. Now, it doesn't matter if you haven't got any minifigs. You might want to use teddies or plastic animals or Paw Patrol characters or princess characters, anything you've got. But you need to see if you can find 6 of them. Okay, you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because what we're going to try and do today with our maths is we're going to try and count out amounts from a big pile. That means you have to stop when you get to the right number. So we're going to start really easy. My first little man just wants the number 1. Okay, so he just wants 1 brick. So in here, I think I just want 1 brick. So I've got 1 finger and I'm going to have 1 brick. So he just wants 1. He's going to try really hard now not to touch him because he wants 1 brick. Okay, this one wants 2 bricks. 1, 2. So have a think. You only want 2. So see if you can get 2 out of there. 2. I'm going to have a red and a yellow. So I've got 1, 2. And I'm going to put them on his. 1, 2. And then I've got to try really hard and not touch everything. Now, this one, he's got goggles on. Can you see? He wants 1, 2, 3. So find your fingers. 1, 2, 3. You might want to do it that way, or if you want to hold your thumb and little finger, you can do it that way. You still need 3 fingers, okay? And you want 3 bricks. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3. Then stop. No more. Okay? Let's build this into something. Oh, this might look like an aeroplane. 1. I'm going to put 1 behind. 2. And 3. Can you see? 1, 2, 3. Even though we haven't built up, we've got built along. We've still got 3. So we've got 1 brick, 2 bricks, 3 bricks. So what comes after 3? 3, add 1 more. 1, 2, 3. Add 1 more is 4. If you're not sure, you can check on your nose calculator and go 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need 4 bricks. Now remember, don't take any more than 4. Count them into your hand and check. So if you say it out loud, you know you've got the right amount. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Always count to check. He's got a really long rectangle he's sitting on, so I'm going to make a long line for him as if he's jumping on stepping stones. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this one's going to be like a diving board. 4. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got 1 brick, 2 bricks, 3 bricks, 4 bricks. So what comes next? I bet some of you are shouting the number at me. So I've got 4, and I want 1 more. What does that make? You can either count my fingers, or you can make your fingers the same. You know what it is? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 5 bricks, like a high 5 hand. So we've got to find 5. Oh, look. He's got a scared face on one side and a cheeky, evil face on the other side. I'm going to give him the scared face. Oh, his cape's flying around. He wants 5 bricks. I've got to get 5. 1. We count them into your hand. 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's see what I can do with this one. 1. Oh, I might make them to stairs. 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can make all sorts of funny shapes, but you've still got 5 bricks. 5. So we've done 5. Now 5, add 1 more. Remember? Shout it out at me if you know. That's it. Let's count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. I've got to get 6 bricks. Now, if you're looking at the reception curriculum or the early years curriculum, which goes all the way up to 16 months, being able to count 6 out of a big group is the highest amount you need to count out. Okay, so don't worry if you're younger than this, or if you've got younger children than this. If they're just taking out 1 and 2 accurately, that's absolutely fine. If they're 2 to 3, don't worry about it. Okay, so we're going to 6. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Gotta get one of these triangle ones. 4, 5, 6. Now, if you're not sure and you think, oh, did I do it? You can count and check. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if you can do this really easy all the way to 6, you could go all the way up to 10. Remember to add 1 each time. I'm going to build my little Ewok on Star Wars' 6 things on his Lego. So he's going to have his 6 bricks. Okay, now if you want, you could have a go at writing your numbers for them. So you could count them and check. So you got 1, you could have a go at drawing your number 1. And 2, you could have a go at moving your number 2 and 3. Or you could just draw marks to represent them. You do 1 line for 1, 2 lines for 2, 3 lines for 3 to represent the numbers you've got. So you could also, they look a bit like you've built some crazy spaceships, and have a little game with them. Have a think about the shapes you've got on them as well. Although you've counted 6, are they all the same? On mine, I've got some cuboids, but I've also got a triangle. And on this one, I've got a big rectangle and a funny L shape. Have a look at the shapes you've got. Now, you might want to keep them all separate, or you might want to have a go at adding some of them together. So if you're a little bit older and you really like your maths and counting, this is when we can start adding. So we're going to put the ones we don't need out the way so they don't confuse you. Now, you might just want to play with your crazy models and see what you want to do, a bit of a spaceship game with them or whatever, or you can do some more adding. So you're only going to pick 2 you like first. So I'm going to pick this one. And I'm going to pick this one. So the first thing you've got to do is count how many bricks you've got. So I've got 1, 2, 3 bricks, which is 3 fingers. And on this one I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bricks. So I've got 5 fingers. So my sum is going to be 5 add 3. And to work this out, you might do dots on the paper. You might count up all your fingers, or you might count up all the bricks. So we'll have a look at counting our fingers first. Now, it's really difficult to count your fingers if you're pointing both hands, which is why we use our nose calculators. So 5 add 3. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. 5 add 3 makes 8, and you can check by counting the bricks. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this Lego spaceship, this Lego spaceship makes 8 bricks. Let's drive them back into the spaceship line. Okay, I'm going to pick this really long Lego spaceship. And I'm going to pick the really short Lego spaceship. So I've got to count my bricks first, remember. So let's count them on here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need 4 fingers on this hand. So I'm going to have my thumb. And on this Lego spaceship, I've just got 1. So I've got forward 1. I know a lot of you will know this one. We ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count the bricks and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Adding. Very good addition. Okay, let's drive the Lego spaceships back in. 1 and 2. I'm going to pick one more sum. I'm going to pick this little one here, the little red one, who's quite short, very long, and this one that's a bit crazy shaped with the Ewok flying it. So, what we're going to do first, count the shapes, count the bricks. Ready? 1, 2. So I've got 2 on this one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, I haven't got 6 fingers on this hand. Now, when you haven't got enough fingers or thumbs in your hand, you have to put the big number in your head and you count on. So you give yourself a tap on the head and you go 6, 7, 8. So 6 add 2 is 8. Okay, now you can take this to whatever level you like. If you like making the spaceships and counting with them, or towers and counting, you can. If you just want to play with the spaceships, you can. Just count out the actual Lego on each one. No problem. The idea is just to make numbers really, really fun, and realizing that numbers aren't just like a picture or a letter or something we memorize. Numbers are all actually about amounts. It's absolutely brilliant if you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or even just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if you don't know that that means an amount, you could be chanting anything. Okay, so it's really important when you are counting, you actually count out things, whether it's Lego or fingers or food on your plate or steps going up to bed. Counting out amounts and objects, even if it's jumps, is really, really fun and really, really important. So see what you can count, see what you can build, and enjoy yourselves. Bye bye.